In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a survey as your thank you page after someone opts in to your opt-in gift, and I'm going to be using both Squarespace and ConvertKit to show you how to do this. Granted, it can be done with other platforms other than Squarespace and ConvertKit, but that's just what I use, so that will be what this example is. So, the first thing that I need to do is to create my survey page. So, in here in my Squarespace site, in my not linked section, I'm going to click the plus button. I'm going to add a new page and write an example survey. Then I'm going to, what I would suggest, I'm just going to do this quickly, but I would suggest is write a little bit of text up here saying something along the lines of, thank you for opting in. If you have a moment, I'd love if you could answer these few questions for me. And then towards the bottom, mention thank you and go check your inbox for the opt-in gift. But I'm just going to go through the form bit instead of typing that all out. So I'm going to click an insert point in the left-hand side here and scroll down to the form block. I'm going to name this survey and delete these ones all out. And I'm going to add a form field. Let's say I want to do a few different options for a question. So do you use Squarespace? And do I'll just leave it with 2 questions for now. My survey actually has more questions, and I'm sure yours will too, but those are just some examples for you. Then I'm going to click over to the storage area, and I don't want to get an email each and every time someone completes this because that would just load up my inbox. What I want it to do is to connect to Google Drive. So I'm going to click here and then click allow. And I'm going to name this and click apply. So when I do that, what I've just done is automatically Squarespace creates that Google Sheet within my Google Drive. So in the future, I would just go to my Google Drive to actually find all the responses. So when they're submitted here, they're automatically going to go over to my Google Drive and I don't have to do anything. So I'm going to click Save on this page. And the one important thing which we do need from this page that I've now created is the website link. So I'm going to click on the settings icon. And then you'll see URL slug right here. That is example survey. So it would be mywebsite.com/example survey. So I'm going to click Save. Now the next thing that I need to do is to set up the form. So I'm going to go over to ConvertKit and I'm going to take it that you've probably set up a form in ConvertKit before. If not, I'm sure there's many other YouTube videos out there that can help you with this. But I'm already in my forms settings area right here. So the important things that you need to make sure that you're doing over in incentive email, you want to add an incentive download and then add in your whatever your opt-in gift is there. And then the other thing that we would need to do is go over to main settings and then redirect to another page. So I have my actual one in here right now, but for this video, it was example/survey. So I took the URL of my new survey page and I put it in here. So when someone opts in on my website to this opt-in gift, it's automatically going to redirect them to this new page. So I'm going to click Save. And then I'm going to click over here to embed. I'm going to pull the raw HTML, click copy on my computer, And then let's say I want to put this in the footer of every page. I'm going to go to my footer, click edit. Now I already have the real one in here, but again, I'll show you. So I'm just clicking an insert point, then I'm going down to the code block, deleting this out, pasting that in, then I would click save here. And so now what happens, so that's the entire setup of everything. I'm going to go down to my footer. Oops. So in the future, what happens from the visitor perspective, they type in their name and email, they click download. It's automatically going to redirect them to my example survey page. They will come to my beautiful example survey page, complete the survey, and then it's going to be sent to my Google Sheet inside of my Google Drive. So anytime I want to check the responses, I would head over there. And then again, as I mentioned, you should add some text to the top and bottom of this form, just mentioning if you could please complete the survey. And as well, very important, tell them that their opt-in gift is waiting for them in their inbox and to go check their inbox for it. I hope that helped.